People generally used barter in their commercial dealings before the invention of money, where one commodity was exchanged for another without specifying the value. With the expansion and stability of the kingdoms and the increasing in population, the need became urgent to find intermediate commodities that could be used in trade exchange between individuals. Here people found the ideal solution is gold, as gold does not get damaged and maintains its properties and value no matter how it is traded or used among people, like grains, leather, or fabrics that are often used, since they lose part of their value over time, whether through storage or transportation. Gold became the basis for commercial dealings, pricing and evaluating commodities, and then the idea of minting coins appeared. The first currency minted in the history was in the Kingdom of Lydia. The first coin minted was the Lydian line in the year 650 BC, and it was made of an alloy of gold and silver because it is easy to form. The use of coins became more common with the expansion of the Roman Empire, and they were minted in gold, silver, copper, and bronze to facilitate commercial dealing throughout the empire. The history of currencies and money has evolved through the ages to more than just coins for commercial trading, but also to honor the kings and emperors by placing their picture on the coin. With the development and increase in trade activity and the difficulty of transporting large quantities of coins in huge boxes, there has become an urgent need to find an alternative. The ideal alternative became the use of a money bond or financial instrument, which evolved into a banknote or paper currency. The first financial paper with a value was made in 620 AD in China, and it was used by merchants to complete their financial transactions. Just as the expansion of the Roman Empire was a reason for the use of coins, the expansion of the Mongol Empire also helped in the widespread use of banknotes. The use of securities and bonds without proper economic awareness caused inflation, so the use of silver coins returned once again, starting in the year 1475. With the establishment of the Spanish Empire and the expansion of its commercial activity, silver bullion was used in trade between Spain and East Asia, and the Spanish silver dollar was minted in the year 1571 and became an international currency. The first banknote was printed in Europe was in the year 1661, which was issued by the Stockholm Bank. It achieved great success in circulation, but this success ended with the bank's bankruptcy. After the British Empire became the largest in the world, every bank could no longer issue banknotes, and the central bank charter was issued in 1844. The Central Bank of England, there was only one entitled to issue banknotes, so that the value of the issued paper was covered entirely by a gold value for each paper. According to the same principle, the rest of the countries of the world, whether part of the British Empire or not, established their own central bank and issued their own currencies, whose value was covered entirely in gold. At this point, the story is not over, but another chapter will be written soon.